to get his car keys fixed on.
That was a bad joke. Please never do that again.
I finally managed to fix the headlights on this old truck, and it took all afternoon, but at least now we can actually see the road ahead at night. All right, let's get this old tire off, put the new one on, and check the pressure so we can get this truck back on the road.
Got a side can shutter Tom in this snap.
Why don't trucks ever get lost on the road? Because they always follow the semi-trucks, plus they have a really good engine to take them wherever they need to go. Why did the mechanic bring a ladder to work?
Because he wanted to reach the high up parts of the job.
Let's think about the idea for a smart motorhome. Which you think is the best? Please tell in the comments.
All right, let's get this base frame secure before we start installing the smart home tech. Passing the screwdriver now, I'll hold the plywood steady on this side. All right, teak panels are secure and the smart system is live, which means this rugged truck is officially starting its transformation into a luxury mobile home. All right, let's get that panel secured tightly. Got it, the smart lights are syncing up perfectly with the tablet. This interior is looking incredibly luxurious now.